What is the average electrician salary in Burkina Faso? On average, an electrician in Burkina Faso earns around 1,690 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you bring home $1,440. This leaves you with an approximate monthly take-home pay of about $120. While that is the countrywide picture, pay goes up if you work in Ouagadougou, where electrician wages reach $1,690 after tax. On top of that, living outside the capital means lower electrician income, though cheaper rent often offsets the difference. Electrician pay starts well below the national figure for entry-level workers, but it rises quickly early on before it plateaus unless you move into supervision. Having a university degree is not usually required locally, but getting higher education helps you move into better roles, which is why many advance into electrical engineer or project manager positions. Big international employers pay noticeably more than small local firms, so how much does an electrician make in Burkina Faso depends heavily on company scale.